Today, I'm going to teach you how to open or pop out Outlook email replies in a new window. This is incredibly useful when you need more screen space to compose detailed responses or reference multiple emails simultaneously while crafting your reply. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load all your messages and folders so everything displays correctly. Once you're signed in and your inbox is populated, you'll be ready to move forward with popping out your email replies. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane where all your messages are stored. This is typically located on the left side of your screen, and it's where you'll find all the emails that have come into your primary inbox. Take a moment to locate the specific email you want to reply to, as selecting the right message is crucial for this process. From your inbox pane, select the email you're looking to open and pop out to reply in a new window. Right-click on the email and a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Reply. This action triggers the reply function and prepares your email for a response. You'll notice the email preview now appears on your screen, showing you the original message content along with the reply field. Now look at the top right part of your screen. You'll see a pop-out button, which is usually represented by a small icon that looks like a window or an arrow pointing outward. Click on this button and the email you've selected will immediately open in a new window. This separate window gives you access to more tools and menus, allowing you to customize and format your email with greater flexibility. You'll find additional formatting options, easier access to attachments, and a cleaner workspace to compose your reply without distractions from your main inbox. And there you have it. You've successfully opened your Outlook email reply in a new window, giving yourself a dedicated space to craft your response with all the tools you need at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.